my name? Yes, my name's Naayum's sister. And today I'm going to explain you about my Lego. This is a Netflix cartoon from Lego Ninjago where Kai rides his dragon. This gate was from where this car got through the gate, and this where he escaped Fritter, like it says right here, Fritter. This is the red car I mentioned earlier. I have added some extra boosters over here, and I also add some sirens over here, sirens. And this is a race car from the movie of the movie from the 97. I think I forgot. This is the yellow car from the same movie I couldn't mention earlier. This is the blue car, which was the fire car, which escaped through the gate and then through the cannons. This is the Lego helicopter from a box that I just unboxed. This is tree from this, where there was a fire, but now the fire is broken now, and the helicopter should blow the fire up. This is Fritter from the movie The Evil Giant Boss. Fritter, school bus. And it also has this chain for no reason. And also, there are some horns to make it look evil, but it's an evil school bus. This is a crane from another box, but I can't explain because it's broken exactly. This is the Lego house from another Lego episode. And this is the Lego barbecue stand. This is the Lego swimming pool from the same episode I said. This is the Lego kennel, and there's a dog inside with a bone and a plate. This is the part where the red car, yellow car, and the blue car ran past those cones and stuff. This is the Lego tank. And cannot fit over here. This is the Lego cannons from the episode of 97 car or what car 97. These were the head posts, but they are already broken, and also this is broken. These are the tires that I forgot to put here. This is the aeroplane that I just made. This is the Lego aeroplane. Now it's time to open this new package, this new box that I'm going to open. A new Lego plastic box. That's a lot of packages. Let's see, let's come back. Let's see what's here. Oh. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Wow. Oh, this is something. Plastic out to pieces and then rock it. Okay, let's see what's here. Wait a minute. Oh, it's already here. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, there it is. Wow, I need. Thank you. And now I'm going to show you another episode of showing you what I'm going to make with all of these things. And thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Thank you.